Yeah.
There must be the town over there.
I guess they got cameras coming and things every day, huh?
Yep. Where the strip is. Be an interstate system down there. There's a hotel. I don't know what that one is. They got some trees down there.
Yeah, planted.
Artificial. Oh, do you?
Yeah. A couple of them. More than a couple. Quite a few.
There's some shopping areas down there.
See the gullies for the rainwater. There's another pool.
It's pretty gory. It's got
Your bags up there. Always played it pretty good.
it's very good. It's very, very gory.
Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Las Vegas. Local time here is 10 minutes past 12 p.m. There has been a 3-hour time change since departing from Atlanta. Once again, local time, 10 minutes past noon. Please remain in your seat with your seatbelt fastened and all carry-on items stowed so the aircraft has been safely parked at the gate and the captain turns off the fasten seatbelt sign. Use caution opening up overhead bins as items can move about during the flight. Need information here with ground transportation, baggage claim, or any connections? There'll be a Delta representative meeting this flight available to assist you. On behalf of your entire crew, it's been our pleasure having you on board with us today. We thank you for choosing Delta for your travel plans and hope to serve you on many flights in the future. A special thank you to our premium passengers, our silver, gold, platinum, and diamond medallions. We do thank you for your continued business and loyalty to Delta. As we do taxi to the gate, we do ask you to reach up, make sure all those air vents are all the way open. It's very, very warm here in Vegas. The aircraft will get very cool once they do, very warm once they do shut those engines down. So if you could just make sure all those air vents are completely open, that will greatly assist in keeping the aircraft cool. Once we do reach the gate, if you could also close your window shade, that will help us as well. Have a pleasant stay or homecoming here in Las Vegas, or safe travels to your final destination.